Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. I just want to first start off by going over an idea that I had. I feel like this would be a really great idea for building the community and highlighting all of the great channels in Locksport. So essentially what the idea is, I'm going to find some channels that are going to volunteer to be shared on my channel. What it's going to entail is, if anyone wants to do this, you're going to need to film a video of your channel, and you're going to just introduce everyone to it, maybe share some of your setups, some of your favorite locks. Just give a really great overview of what your channel's all about so everyone can get to know you. Try to keep the video under 10 minutes, and I don't mind helping edit it if it needs it. And then once you're done with it, you can submit it to me and I will upload it into a separate playlist. This playlist will be really cool because you'll have a great catalog of all of the great channels out there, so you can just see the names and watch the videos and be able to have a good idea of what all of these channels are about. If anyone is interested at all at doing this, please send me an email, which you can find in my About section on my YouTube channel, or you can leave it in the comment section below. But email is better so it does not get lost. But I am interested to hear what everyone's thoughts are on this. So far in my channel, I have done all of my Locksport updates, and in the past I was doing the featured channel of the weeks, which took a lot of time and effort. I think this is going to be a really cool way to do it, and I'm really interested to see what everyone thinks. But moving on from that idea, what I'm going to do this week is I'm going to share a few channels with you like I do every single week. The first channel I'm going to share with you is going to be a channel that left a comment in last week's Locksport update. It's going to be Thumper Lockpicking. Thumper is a pretty cool channel, and what I'm going to do is share a really quick clip of his channel with you right now.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have 5 blocks. These, what do you call it? Wafer locks. Got it. I got 3 wafer locks here. I just got these locks today. My friend that runs a stereo place. These are what hangs on the rack, and the locking mechanism. It's really it's a cool little lock. I'll be sending these out to you guys when I'm done picking them. But how it is these are locked onto the rack. And when you need, here, this one don't have it. There you go. This one, oh, there it is. So when you need help, whatever, there's a button you push, and they come over and they'll unlock the lock for you. Made like for high fidelity stuff and stuff like that. But I'm going to see if I can pick 5 locks in less than 10 minutes.
Thank you so much for checking out Thumper. If you enjoyed what you saw, you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Thumper is always making new content. He's a really generous guy, and he is really a great channel to show your support on. The next channel I'm going to share with you is going to be Lockpicking Newbie. Lockpicking Newbie is a pretty small channel, and he's a pretty cool channel. So what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of him for you right now.
This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and today is Stock Lock Sunday. What we have today is another one of my treasure trove of Granger clearance locks. This is an American A52. I got it for $4, and it is on clearance. It's discontinued, yada yada, and it's function. Look at the beefy shackle on this guy.
Thank you so much for checking out Lockpicking Newbie. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The next channel I'm going to share with you is a channel that was recently shared with me by Lockmania. The channel that I'm going to mention is called Rook Knight. What I'm going to do is share a quick clip of him picking a Master Lock Pro Series.
Hi guys, Rook Knight here. I'm going to try picking this Master Lock Pro Series for you. I'm not really sure what kind it is. So anybody can make out what that might be on the bottom there. It had a lot of damage. It got used a bunch of times, I'm sure. I don't even have a key for it, to tell you the truth. But let's see if I can pick it. It's kind of a big deal. I've been able to do it a couple times off camera. And this is like the hardest lock I was able to pick so far. And we got it, guys. Woohoo! Alright. It was awesome. It's the hardest one I've ever picked so far. And we did it.
Thank you so much for checking out Rook Knight. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The last channel I'm going to share with you this week is going to be a channel that just reached 200 subscribers. The channel is Divornorum. I apologize if I'm saying that incorrectly, but the channel just reached 200 subscribers. He's doing a 200 subscriber giveaway, and what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of Divornorum's giveaway video for you right now.
Hey everybody, Divinorum Lock here. Really excited to be making this video because it's for my 200 subscriber giveaway. So I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to everyone out there for all the support you've given my channel. And I just want to say that having a place to be able to share this hobby with like-minded individuals, share my videos, watch your videos, comment and interact with you and share feedback back and forth with all of you really makes the hobby just so much more enjoyable and so much more fun. So I want to thank you all for that as well. I'm going to go over the theme of the giveaway, then I will go over the rules, and then I will go over what it is we're going to be giving away.
Thank you so much for checking out Divinorum Lock. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. As part of his giveaway, he wants us to be able to share what one of your proudest moments in lock sport is. And I'll share mine with you right now. I think my proudest moment in lock sport has just been getting to know the community and being able to use my channel to be able to spread all of the great channels of lock sport. I just really love how this community is so close-knit. Everyone is so welcoming, and I'm just so proud to be able to do my part to be able to give back to the community in any way that I can. And I really am so happy to see the community growing every single day. I know that my channel has had some small influence on many different channels, and I just want to say that it's always my pleasure to be able to help, and never be shy to ask to have your channel featured. It is something I really enjoy doing, and I'm really proud to do it. I'm so proud to see how this community has been able to maintain its ability to just be so welcoming, so kind, and just wanting to share the knowledge with everyone. This is such a great community, and I've never seen it in any other community. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. This has been my Lock Sport update, and if you have anything that you would like to see shared next week, please drop that in the comment section below. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop those in the comment section below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.